So guys, first step, you have to think how you gonna cut your hair. So you just have to see your beard perfectly. And second step, you have to comb your hair of the beard. How you can check the density of your beard? Simply keep the comb like this and you can see it is hanging here. Here also you can see. So in the next step, you have to trim your beard. So start from any side where you feel comfortable. So I will start from the left side, and first of all I am keeping this one at level 4. So you also keep it at level 4. And what you have to do, there is one jaw bone here, so you have to keep your finger like this, covering your jaw bone, and you have to start the trimmer and trim like this. So now I will start. Let's see how it gonna works. So now you got the idea how to cut. Now remove your hand and just make a proper line. So this step is over. Now again comb your hair to see the line. Then again you have to repeat this process on the another side. So again I will keep it like this, and I will start the trimmer. And you have to clean your trimmer frequently. So now I will clean the trimmer. So now this side is also over. So now it will not look perfectly, but we have to make it perfectly. Then you just have to wait and watch how I will do it. So after this step, again you have to change the setting of your trimmer. Now I will keep it 8.5. So now in 8.5, again I will start trimming. I will trim the whole section from here. Now I will show you. So again you have to repeat this process on this side. So now I have to trim this side because this looks little densely crowded. Now you have to keep your trimmer at level 10 and trim the whole part of your beard. So to make this faded, I will keep the trimmer at level 5 and I will start it from here. So now I will set my trimmer at level 5. So now as you can see, the line is faded over here. So keep it at level 6 and again start it from here. You can keep it like this. Same you have to repeat over here. Then keep it at level 6. So this is completed. Now I will make a proper shape over here. So then now you have to remove this one. So this looks good. So as you can see, the beard is faded. Now we have to clean this part. Again you have to comb your beard. Now beard it like this. Okay. First make it a cross and cut like this. Then simply you have to hold like this, and from the corner of the trimmer trim your hair. So now you have to balance your beard. So how you can do it? Simply you just have to comb like this and keep it like this and open your trimmer. For safety you just put this clip and put the third number. So now you can see from side it is looking amazing. So here it is looking more thick. Then what you have to do, you just have to increase your trimmer at level 7 and trim over here. So now we have to trim our mustache. So what you have to do, you just have to select at level 6, then do it like this. If you want to keep at level 5 also, you can keep. So again I will do it level 5. So now it looks good. So you have to make this one looks good. So again you just have to keep at level 8 and keep your trimmer like this. And do it over here. Repeat this process here. So if you want to make it little fade, what you have to do, you just have to keep this at level 6. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.